Hello, I'm back. We have 2 more days to look at for our journal entries. Okay, this next one is from Friday, September 25th. Today we took a trip to the top layer of the rainforest. It was one of the most beautiful experiences of my life. I was amazed to see an elevator in the rainforest. My mom called it a lift, but it looked like a rickety old elevator with open sides. The lift carried us up 30 meters or 100 feet. I was nervous, but it was exciting to see the forest floor slip away as we climbed up into the air. When the lift stopped, we stepped outside onto a maze of walkways that stretched through the treetops. Each tree trunk was surrounded by a strong wooden platform. The platforms were very wide, so several people could stand on them. As I looked around, I felt like I was on top of the world. We were in the rainforest canopy. Life high at the top of the rainforest is breathtaking. It would be impossible to describe all of the animals I saw, but I mostly noticed there were many kinds of birds. I recognized the colorful tanagers and the toucans. Most of the trees were covered with small berries. The branches were full of bush-tailed saki monkeys, dwarf squirrels, and tree frogs. I was amazed that the top of the forest was so full of life. It reminded me of a busy city with all its inhabitants scurrying about. It was so interesting and beautiful that I wanted to stay there forever. There's some frogs. Next entry is from Saturday, September 26th. This was my last day in the rainforest. I spent so much time hiking around that I'm too tired to write very much. Even though the weather was hot and humid and it rained every day of the trip, I didn't mind. There were so many new things to see and hear. I'll miss Kapanwa. It was hard to say goodbye to him today. I know I'll never forget him. And I'll never forget all the animals, the toucans, howler monkeys, cat-eyed snakes, and the rest. I'll think about them for a very long time. It is amazing how life has adapted to conditions in the rainforest. Plants and animals such as the acacia tree and the ants work together for survival. It's like interlocking pieces of a puzzle, creating one beautiful picture. I'll keep the picture in my mind as I take the cab ride back to the Manaus Airport and board the plane for New York. I have a toucan and a macaw. And now I'll read this orange box here. Studying the rainforest. Lee's mother is a type of biologist called an entomologist. She studies the habitat and the behavior of insects in the rainforest, particularly ants. These organisms, like many other plants, animals, fungi, and microorganisms, can survive only under the environmental conditions found in the undisturbed rainforest. The continual cutting of trees is causing the destruction of the rainforest and the extinction of many species. Little is known about many of the organisms in the rainforest. Studying them is important because of the potential benefits this knowledge may bring to our world. Okay, that's why it's important. That's why science is important. It's important to explore the world around us, but safely and respectfully. Okay, that's all I have for you today. Please make sure you check out your discussion board and any other work you have to do for me. Take care, everyone. Have a good day.